Hello, and welcome to SMS Marketing Tutorials. In this video, we're going to show you how to add drip auto-response message to an autoresponder campaign. Please watch the How to Create an Autoresponder Campaign video before proceeding. So far, we've created a simple auto-response campaign. A user texts a keyword and then they receive a default auto-response message. Now, let's see how to drip messages to the campaign. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials, click on Campaigns, and type the name of your campaign in the search field and click Search. Click on the Edit button to make changes to your campaign. So far, this campaign sends a default message immediately once the user texts in the keyword. Now to add a drip message, click on the Time Drip Message button at the top. Select the subscriber list you would like to send the drip messages to. Select the start and end time for the message and click Save. Click on New Message to create one. Give the message a relevant name. Now, type in your message in the message field. Now, select the time after which this message will be delivered to the subscribers. The time selected can be in minutes, hours, or days. Click Save to save the changes. Now, in addition to the default auto-response the subscriber will receive automatically, they'll also receive a follow-up message according to the settings. So now you can automatically send follow-up messages to customers. Thanks for watching.